I'm here in the snack area of the primary classroom. I want to point out a few key ideas here that you can also do at home. One is here they have a low sink, so the child has access to drinking water and washing hands. There's a nice low table and chair so the child can easily get snack. Everything is in their area. Everything is low on a shelf and easily accessible. Here we have plates and forks and spoons, and every child here in this classroom has their own personalized mug, which I think is really nice. So children can come up in pairs and they can have a really nice social snack. And what I love here is that everything's accessible, everything's easy, and this is something you can easily create at home too. This is part of the practical life area of the primary classroom. What I'd like to show you is how low this shelf is. It's about 2 feet, maybe 2.5 feet tall. Everything is accessible for a child from 3 to 6 years old, pretty much at their eye level or easily from bending over. And what's special about a practical life area is it's exactly as it sounds. It's giving skills for life. Young children are fascinated with day-to-day activities and how they can take care of themselves. And what they really need is ways that they can practice to perfect skills. So you can see that everything on this shelf is contained. They have trays. You can see that things are color coordinated. Children, if things get knocked off the shelf, they can easily find where things go just by the color and the material. And everything in a practical life area is made by the teacher. It's culturally relevant, and also for your time and place. It's things that you would see at home, but you want to isolate it for the children to do. I would love to show you how to make some simple practical life activities for your home.